already prepped my skin, so I'm gonna start off by applying this strobe cream. So this Igari makeup is also called as hangover makeup. It's a Japanese style makeup that make you look like youthful and soft girl. I love how my skin looks so glowy and dewy. And now for the foundation, I'm using this Hilary Rhoda foundation. I'm just gonna apply all over my face, and then I'm going to use a damp beauty sponge to blend it all perfectly. Now I'm applying blush right under my eyes and on the tip of my nose and little bit on my chin. Now I'm using a brush to blend it all. I know I'm looking like a clown, but you have to trust the process. And now I'm using a concealer and applying it just around my eyes, nose and around my mouth to lighten up these area, and then I'm using a brush to blend it all. Now using a setting powder to set my base. And now for eyebrows, first I'm brushing it and then I'm using a brown shade just to lighten up the brows that make the makeup look more softer. And now for eye makeup, I'm using this kind of pink coral shade from the eyeshadow palette, and I'm just blending it all over my eyelid and applying same shade on my lower lid. And now I'm just squinting my eyes to draw a perfect aiguille. And now for eyeliner, I'm just drawing a very thin line. Now I'm just going to contour my nose to make it look smaller. Now adding highlighter on inner corner of my eyes, on the tip of my nose and also on the bridge of my nose. Now applying mascara to add volume to my lashes, and don't forget your lower lash line. For lips, I'm using this pink lip tint and then I'm adding a pink lip gloss.